Okay, everyone. So, if you've probably seen the Good to Go bag review from the other day, the Domino's one, you'd have found out we got that for free. So, with the money we had left over, we decided to buy another Good to Go bag. This one is a bit of a weird one. It's from a place in the old town called Aura Pinctos, which is like a tapas bar sort of place. Yeah,
So they are tappers.
they are tapas top stuff, but I think they're gonna be a bit smaller because Pinchos.
The good ones, Mark, the red very good.
I think Pintos are like just like tappers with sticks in. I don't know, but let's get into it. There's a bag. Got Sue there. And
Shoving
this outside.
peas back in.
We don't know what we got, but what in...
Hang on, we've got an escapee.
Okay. What in
What on earth?
God's name?
Looks interesting.
Yeah, it does. It looks like you've got some
Fish.
Prawns.
Mushrooms on bread. I mean, I'll probably have the mushrooms because
Which I think are escaping.
I hate garlic. I mean, not garlic, fish. I hate fish
So, whoops.
and coleslaw.
Why don't you just do it with your fingers? Okay,
So, I mean, a lot fishy stuff in there. That's what I've had out of it.
How is that? That one?
That's one.
Yeah, but it's probably like just a bit stuck onto it because Sue's just been saying that her closing when
Yeah, it would have
she
been nice
got it, so it...
if I could have had a choice of what to pick.
It is probably just that stuff I've just grabbed that I've had left over, which...
All over this one.
She's left your dad stick in his.
Yeah, he's got his little cocktail stick there.
So there's like a little
It
tomato.
does seem to be like a lot of fishy type stuff,
Which is a shame because they did have
yeah,
like some mini hamburgers
Yeah,
by the
like
looks of it and stuff.
I mean, yeah, I'll let Mike try it first.
That looks like, I don't know, salmon and tuna.
Got salmon there.
Not bad either, not got
Proper good salmon.
good size.
The thing is, you do not different stuff with the box.
Tuna there.
So, like, why would you put it in with fish products? Oh, a bit stupid, really.
And mayonnaise and
Sweet corn, maybe, or something.
egg or something.
Oh.
They were like good sizes, the tappers, but for the size of the tappers, they were good prices. Like, and they did have some like a squid sort of tapper, and them little fishes. They seemed to be about €8, but they were quite big bowls. They had. I seen a guy, I don't know what he had, but she put something in the bottom of the dish, and then put meatballs on top. So.
But the thing is, they put like some garlic mushrooms on baguette in a box with fish stuff. Like, surely any restaurant should know that's the stupidest, shittest idea ever. Like, surely that's cross-contamination.
That's how much salmon you get. I've just pulled that off the tapas.
Big bit of salmon.
Big bit of salmon. That's
If you're into fish, like, which,
probably 2 or 3
I mean, yeah.
euro. And so,
Good sized
I mean,
prawns.
quite expensive salmon.
I'm starting to think if they had to put like burgers in with it and all that, they'd have probably just so bunged it in one box. Because I mean, the lid won't fit in box. It just looked like she's just grabbed a few bits, scooped it in and said, sod it, that's the box.
I suppose the size of the
Very
tray, the size of them, were they? I mean, the good sized bread.
I mean, I was looking forward to it and all, but
You got
it
mushrooms, they'll
ain't
be
the
alright.
best. Yeah, but they've been mixed with fish. So
Yeah,
if
I
they
wouldn't have
taste
rolled
the
the other
fish, I'm
side.
going to throw up. Good sized mushrooms, probably not fresh, mind you.
No, it'll be cooked. Nice
Cold
soft-
mushrooms.
Nice soft baguette as well.
Oh, that's good.
And your dad's lucky because it's all
Fresh. So he's
3 were
lucky.
fish and 1 that weren't fish. The only thing I picked off was the prawns.
Are you allowed to eat cold mushrooms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
They've been cooked.
I think they're meant to be garlic mushrooms, but they've lost the garlic taste. Probably because I've been sat out for so long, to be fair.
This again looks like tuna and I don't know what's on top.
That's another one I've just had.
They're probably both like what you've just had, Mark. To be honest, for the price, yeah, it's kind of worth it, but I'm not really too impressed.
Good for the price, but
You got to be a
What
fish
price do you
lover.
pass it?
€3.99.
€3.99.
That's
Oh.
€1 each, isn't it?
It doesn't really say either what's going to be in it. It just says like pink gloss tappers, like not sort of stuff you could get. So I mean, if you get it
What
and
they've
you're
got-
not a fan of fish,
Yeah.
you've wasted money.
Surprisingly, I
Okay,
didn't
haven't they?
see anybody else collecting them, which I thought was strange.
Probably go
Obviously-
later in the night, won't they?
No, because you've only got till 5 to 12 to pick it up.
Oh,
Obviously, like these, they're doing these because they're on the baguette. They're not going to last. And they had got stuff in bowls and trays. That were
I'm not
obviously-
eating that.
Why?
I like the cold mushrooms.
The one mushroom I've just had tasted like pure fish. Anyone want the baguette as well?
I've got a bit of pepper on this one as well.
So like a
So yeah, for
mixture.
me it's well worth it.
Yeah, for you. A fish eating lunatic. My rating,
Another
a 5. If you like fish, you're happy.
ooh,
If you don't, you've wasted money which you probably won't be able to get back.
there you go. Another great big piece of salmon. Salmon's not cheap, no.
Wow.
It's,
Well, yeah, but they're probably getting it like wholesale or something from a fishmongers or something. Or buying it in
not that cheap,
fresh.
no, it's-
Maybe buying it in fresh from local fishermen. I was really looking forward to that tonight and morning. Now I'm just a bit peed.
I'll do you some in a minute, mate.
Oh, don't worry, I'm not hungry.
Yeah, that tastes a bit fishy.
Well, that's a problem. It's just the typical
the stuff that
thing.
they got in the dishes that were on there. They were just clearing them and putting them into tubs to go in the fridge for tomorrow.
Or probably to put them out as too good to go bags.
Not
maybe.
not in the big tubs.
Oh.
It is these that they're doing for you too good to go, your baguettes.
Yeah, well, to be fair,
Very nice.
I wouldn't have a good to go back from there again if they're going to be cross-contaminating food. But, I mean,
Well, no, the thing is, Marcus,
yeah, but
if you're going
you're
in
working in a restaurant. Not.
Yeah, but you're going in there and you're getting them anyway and they're putting them all on the same plate, so it's not really going to make a lot of difference.
But that ain't making a difference if it's all on the same plate, if you're going in to eat there. But like being in a box for someone to take home and eat, and it's like right up against baguettes overflowing with fish. I mean, it's just stupid. Like, surely people have intelligence in this country nowadays.
It's only because you don't like fish.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, but still, like...
But they're all fish baguettes, it was only your mushrooms.
Yeah, then even they tasted the bloody fish. I mean, if that fish is raw, then what? Like, if there's something wrong with the fish.
I'm going to die.
Oh. Can finally have your channel.
There's nothing wrong with the fish, man.
Anyway, yeah, not the best one we've had. Probably one of the worst we've had. Well,
I wouldn't.
actually,
I think it was worth the money.
no, not one of the worst we've had. I think the worst we had was that one from that herbology pill shop thing, whatever it is, done on Jamie. That was worst.
I mean, the size of them, they're at least
Yeah,
€3 each.
they're a decent size.
You know, there's 5 in there, was there, or 4?
For
4, so...
the mushroom baguette and
Last
3
one, guys.
cheese. I mean, 3 fish ones and the mushroom one. I got taught.
Must have got lucky tonight, I think, Marcus. Me, though.
You think so, yeah? Bit crap, really, weren't it?
Only because you don't like fish.
Well,
What's that on top? Tomato, pepper?
Pepper.
Bit pepper on top?
probably won't be getting another one from them. I mean, maybe one day when we get money we'll go for a meal there if you can get in there, because most of the old town tappers restaurants, they do get very busy to the point where like you cannot get a table.
Yeah, but you've had to pray like that for tapas. Tapas.
Yeah, I suppose so.
So you can't mind too much.
Yeah.
Would you pay £3 for €4 for one
That-
full of food?
Probably not, no.
You probably would.
Hang on, don't know. So yeah, as I said, I'll give it a 5.
I'll have to give it... I'll give it a 6 because the food was alright, it's just that I don't like fish.
Either.
And the prawns weren't bad.
Ah, that's good. I mean, were they cooked or
What's that called?
what?
Yeah.
Oh, that's surprising.
And I'd probably give it a 9 to 10. Probably a 9.
fair dues.
Because there's a lot of expensive stuff on there with the prices in Spain, so yeah, well worth a euro
Yeah,
each.
there's a fair bit of tuna on there, isn't there?
Fair bit of tuna, that's quite expensive in Spain, and a fair bit of salmon, which is also fairly expensive. Yeah, so all good. Just these two don't like fish, so that's the chance you take, isn't it?
I suppose so.
You get a good to go bag.
You don't really know what's gonna be in it.
So I'm going to enjoy this, finish off.
I mean, I guess I should have known, to be fair, like coming from a tapas restaurant, like slap bang by Tapas Alley, it were probably going to be mostly fish. But I just thought maybe there'd be something different, like a potato cake or some tatabavas or something. But
Well, you did have mushrooms, but because I touched the fish,
that tasted like crap. I know.
I thought they were alright, but...
I mean, the mushrooms, it lost the garlic taste probably because they've just been sat out for people to get all day, and she's just probably seen and grabbed them and thought, okay, that'll go in box. And I mean, the way it were presented as well, like it did look a bit like they just threw a load of random things in a wash.
She probably did. She just grabbed them, tried to put them in the tray because they are quite busy.
I suppose. But
Maybe
like,
another girl, you might have got something different.
Anyway, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time, maybe.